Welcome to the Payment Porte platform. At Payment Porte, we are developing a neobank and Web3 fintech platform to serve this demand by leveraging the most basic yet crucial foundation of blockchain technology. The platform drives high-speed, low-cost transactions, top-notch security standards, interoperability, and optimum transparency for all stakeholders. We are preparing for the future of finance. Join us as we take you through the Payment Porte application, the application that will transform the way the world does businesses, beginning with the web application.